So welcome to this video. Today I'm also again with my Ricoh grIII, but I'm gonna try to make a video about macro capabilities of this camera. I'm looking for mushrooms because it's fall season, as you maybe can see at the trees, but maybe not. And take some pictures of that because I want to do I did a channel challenge this year where I'm gonna post 365 days on Instagram, and today is my last day that I have pictures for it, so that's why I'm gonna look around for it. And I already saw some mushrooms there behind the camera, so I'm gonna go there and shoot some pictures and show them to you on your screen so you can see the macro capabilities of the Ricoh grIII. I also have a Ricoh grIIIX, but in my opinion that's not the best for macro, so let's see what we can find here. I will now show you the mushrooms on the other side. So here are the mushrooms that I found, but they're really like, they're more like this color, but look how beautiful. So let's see what we can make out of it. This tree is full of mushrooms. It's crazy. Now I'm really close to the mushrooms and you can see the green light. That means that I am in focus. It will not be the best picture, I think. It has something. But there is, if it wants to focus, there is this button with the flower on it, and that's the macro capability. And then you will see, if I press it, the lens goes forward, and then you can go really close. But I noticed that my settings are too dark, so my ISO needs to go up because I'm in the forest, as you can see. And then my shutter speed really needs to go down. That's also a nice feature of this camera, that it has a really good, I'm too far away, really good capabilities of like just keeping something steady, which is really nice if you have shaky hands like I have. I'm gonna see if I can make something out of this. Yes, this is also macro, and if I don't know if I zoom in, even on this screen it looks amazing. So let's see what we can find further, but I'm just gonna try to make something cooler, a cooler composition. It's totally out of focus, it's my bad. Oh, I like this one because it goes like from, there's some line in it, which is cool. And now I'm gonna put up macro capabilities. It's full of insects here. Try to make something out of it. Raising my shutter speed so it's a bit darker. I'm gonna look further for more mushrooms. There's also a play garden here. Let's see what we can find further away. Thing I forgot to tell is that the macro capabilities are from 6 to 12 centimeters from the sensor, but it's really close to the lens itself, and because of its 28 millimeters it's still wide enough to see the whole area around it. And I'm now on a small island with like some water on both sides because it's an island, and I'm gonna see if I can find some interesting shots here. Maybe not, and then you will see me in the next shot somewhere else. So when I was walking here on the island, I found this small flower which already looks really good on my phone. But let's see if I can put it in macro modus. You will also see it will focus this small icon on the side, on the left side of the screen, so that you can see it's in macro modus, but with all these greeneries around it. So it'll probably be, yeah, it's a good picture. I think, in my opinion, this is a really good camera for some macro photography because it's like damn good in it. And it's too bright. I'm gonna lower the ISO here because it's better to lower the ISO here. Get a bit better image. But look at this. These details. I'm gonna show you a zoomed in picture now. This is a way better one because the details are amazing on this camera. This lens is just amazing. I mean, and people who complain about the battery life, it's just stupid. And the focusing thing is also not an issue for me because I put it on pinpoint. As you can see, there's one point and it will always focus on that point, which makes it totally capable for me to just nice fall leaves and everything to make just a great picture and fast focusing. So yeah, I'm not gonna complain about focus. I mean, yes, my Sony is way faster, but it's in continuous autofocus. This is good in just one focus point. So back off the island, it's some old wood found it in a park, and I found some mushrooms there. But I would like to have some like just alone. So let's see if I can find something. This is also like very cool, but not for today. I think I found my one mushroom, which this needs to go. Look at that. So here, as you can see, the ISO is way too low. So back to 800. Then my shutter speed can go lower because and now I'm still in macro modus, and this is great. The only thing I would change is there are these leaves and I don't want anything in the picture. I'm just drawing nature for a small picture on my Instagram. Crazy man. But I think this one, yes. So this is one with macro on, and if I put macro off, it's not been able to focus that closely, but there isn't a big difference between the two in my opinion, between macro on or off, but I like this picture. Hopefully I can get something out of it. It is Instagrammable. Let's see what we can find further while my phone is dying, because it only has like 15% battery left. So I'm now in the last part of the video, or like the part where I am going to see if I can find some mushrooms, but it's the last part of nature that I will discover, and it's just damn this mate. It's full of mud here, hard to go over. So I didn't find any mushrooms or fungus elsewhere. So yeah, this is the video. This is it. And I hope you liked it. There's some woman looking at me. I could be video chatting or doing anything else. But so subscribe and let me know what you find on the video. And see you next time. Bye.